What is the number one sign that you have met your divine counterpart, that you have met your twin flame? Is it the love and romance? Is it the eye recognition, that soul recognition? Is it that invisible cord that links both of you, that red thread that connects you heart to heart? Is it the chakras and the vibration that they hold where you feel that you are merging when you make love? Is it that chemistry that is off the scale where you can talk for hours and hours and hours and you tell them the most deepest, intimate thoughts and feelings? No. The number one sign that you have met your twin flame is the collapse of your identity, is the spiritual awakening. One thing that happens to all twins, and this happens because of the activation of the Kundalini, is the identity. Your identity, everything that your beliefs, your thoughts, your feelings, your world, everything within your world will start to collapse in. It will make no sense. You will be desperately seeking and believing that the reason you feel this deep, utter loss is because of the person leaving, i.e. divine masculine. But actually there is something way bigger going on here. That Kundalini, your Shakti life force energy, is now working through up the spinal column. It is now dancing and weaving up the Ida and the Pingala. And as your Shakti, your life force energy weaves up, your divine feminine essence weaves up to your own inner masculine, Shiva, it dissipates out all the lower frequencies, all the false identity. So the number one sign that you have met your divine counterpart is not just the love and romance. Yes, the love and romance will be there. Yes, that eye contact, that mirror, how they mirror everything back to you, how that you could just stare into each other's eyes. But one soul recognition, divine masculine will struggle to look within your eyes. They may avoid eye contact. They may avoid video calls. They may avoid seeing you. The reason why is the eyes are the windows to the soul and everything is being mirrored back. They will also avoid speaking. This is because the throat chakra holds the vibration, the exact same vibration. And this vibration activates both of you. But in activating, yes, the eyes, yes, the voice, yes, the heart, you have this invisible cord that constantly is on a vibrational loop, constantly feeding in together. But the biggest number one sign is it will be your spiritual awakening. It will awaken you, your identity, your beliefs, your whole world will be smashed to the ground and you will be left there trying to figure out, trying to endlessly search. The mind will want to go into overdrive, trying to figure out what is happening. That is the number one sign to knowing whether you are on the journey or not. And if you need more help and support, my website is there, 3wscatsacredsoul.com. I send you much love, many blessings.